Dream organized a unique meeting today with the parents of youth affected by drug addiction to discuss the challenges faced by their children, particularly the stigma associated with substance abuse. Mission Director Francis Kharshiying emphasized that addiction should be viewed as a disease and expressed the government's commitment to supporting youth recovery and support to their families. Kharshiying also reassured parents that Dream understands their concerns and is dedicated to providing the necessary assistance.
Family plays a very important role in the rehabilitation of any youth. Another issue is the stigma which families carry. Then there's another issue which, the codependency, which Dr. Rika has just highlighted. One main issue is, families are afflicted by this problem. It is not only the person who's afflicted by this issue, but it is the entire family which is affected. Due to this reason that we requested the families to come and, where we can discuss and provide support, especially from the government side, how we can support them, how we can advise them. So today we have called a few counsellors and they have given their talks and points on how family, particularly to strengthen families to face this issue that has fallen in their family.